Hello and namaste, lover of Sanskrit language. I'm so happy that you're here, eager to register for the classes. What do you know about Sanskrit language other than it being an ancient language? Well, it's a healing language and energizing language. There are two other names for it: yogic language and divine language. But I would prefer to call it the happiness language. Why? Because it produces physical and mental effects that increase your happiness level. It activates the different nerves in your body and produces vibrations that have a very calming effect on your mind. A research by Dr. Travis, as published in the International Magazine of Neuroscience, shows that the physiological effects that are produced while reading Sanskrit are similar to the effects produced when doing the transcendental meditation technique. Some more reasons as to why you should study Sanskritam. Sanskritam is the most refined language in the world. The very word Sanskritam comes from two words, Samyak, Kritam. That means well done. In fact, a school in New York and a university also in New York are offering Sanskrit as a compulsory language because they know that Sanskrit is the best and they want to offer the best to their students. Sanskritam is most suited for computers, according to the Forbes magazine. Of course, nobody continued the research further to actually implement it. And who knows, it could be you. Once you learn Sanskritam, every other language comes with so much ease because all the possible vibrations that could be produced through any alphabet are already produced through the Sanskrit alphabets. So your mouth goes through a whole range of motion in pronouncing the different Sanskrit alphabets. I recently went to New Jersey to teach in a Sanskrit camp for the kids. I was totally inspired by the feedback that I received from at least 35 people who came and told me what a wonderful teacher I was. It's true. My kids, aged from 3 to 8 years, performed extremely well every evening. They showed their expertise in Sanskrit language. So I'm announcing online Sanskrit classes and there will be 3 categories. So one is children and other is adults who know at least one Indian language, and the third is adults who do not know any Indian language. It will be a multi-sensory learning through songs, stories, and body movements. It will be from the comfort of your home and just like a live classroom setting where all the students come on the screen and they will be able to interact with each other, they will be able to see me, I can see all of them. And because of this arrangement, the class size is only limited to 5 students in each category. And I may not be offering this kind of a live setting for the same syllabus in future because I plan to record them and people may have to learn from the recording for this exact syllabus. So if you want to be one of those 5, then please go to the URL that is below this video and you can register for that. After registering and after attending the first class, if you don't like it, you can ask for a refund. So it is actually risk-free for you. But I'm sure you will love it because I'm going to make it a lot of fun for you. And after you register, you can actually write what your goals are or needs are for those 6 weeks, and I will adjust my syllabus to meet your needs. So I look forward to seeing you in the online Sanskrit class. Thank you so much. Namaste.